to be honest, I was never really motivated by the cars or like the watches, that luxury stuff. I knew from the start, like when I was broke, living at home with my parents back in Sweden, the only thing that I wanted was what I have right now, which is true freedom. Be able to travel wherever I want in the entire world, whenever I want. And the biggest thing I wanted to get away from was the cold winters, because I absolutely hated the winters in Sweden. When it was cold, you were just almost depressed for multiple months every single year. I just wanted to get out of that. So I'm making this video to just help you see that there's more stuff than these like Miami balcony kids that are like driving SVJs and Lambos and flexi watches. It's like, sure, that stuff is cool, and I'm probably gonna end up getting a watch and a car at some point for sure. But here's the thing, like, know what you're actually after, okay? A lot of people right now, I used to make this mistake myself. You fall into the trap of going after other people's desire because you're not clear on what you deep down want for yourself. And that is why a lot of people stay stuck. It's because you don't know why you're working so hard. You don't know why you're trying to make money online. So you face challenges, maybe you fail, maybe you are scared and it's uncomfortable to keep going on the path. And because you're doing it for someone else's reasons, not your own reasons, you do not stick to it. That's why people give up, and that's why people quit, and why people do not hit their goals, because they're not clear on why they're doing it. So I need you to be honest with yourself. That's been the biggest thing that's helped me in my journey, is getting very clear on why exactly am I doing this. Because I remember when I was sitting at home with my parents and I was trying to start my first like agency, and stuff got hard. I didn't have clarity. I thought I was just like doing the agency because I wanted to make 20K a month, because I heard 20K a month was a cool number. I didn't know why I was doing it. So when I faced challenges, my immediate response to that was like, I'm gonna change to something else because it's not supposed to be hard like this, I didn't have a strong enough why. When I realized that the reason why I'm doing this is simply so I can get out of my parents' house, so I can make 10K a month, so I can be able to have control of my time, location, and have financial freedom. That's when things started clicking. I started taking the right actions because I was clear on why I was doing it. It's so simple, but I needed to, after watching this video, please just sit down and get clear on why are you doing this shit? Why do you actually want to make the 10K a month, 20K a month, whatever your goal is? When you get clear on that, I promise you will get so much motivation, drive, hunger, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna come naturally when you're clear on why you're actually doing it. And you need to be very, very honest, because this stuff comes back all times to insecurities, to deep, maybe dark desires that you might have from a young age. So be extremely honest. What do you actually desire? What do you actually want deep down for yourself? Think about that, get clear on what it is, and again, be honest. Do not hide anything from yourself, because when you find what this is, I promise you will unlock so much just power and ability to just do whatever you want and be able to go after that goal with so much effort, so much hard work. For me, what that is being able to be in a place like this, just pop out. I was in Medellin, Colombia, where I stay most of the year, and I just popped out here. I just booked a one-way trip just a couple of days ago. Just popped out here. Now I'm out here. I'm able to. I just went on our delivery app, just ordered some very high-quality steaks, some eggs. That is why I started this game in entrepreneurship and trying to make money online. That's why I got into high-ticket sales, because I learned the skills to be able to travel wherever I want, be in a warm place all year round, be on this balcony right now. It's 35 degrees. Back in Sweden, it's cold right now. People are dealing with snow and it's super cold and dry weather, etc. I'm out here in the warm weather. I'm sweating right now because it's super warm. I just landed from the plane. Just came from the airport. I can eat whatever food I want every single day. I can eat steaks on a daily basis, which I do every single day. I eat steaks, and I'll be able to just buy shit whatever I want without looking at the price tag. That is what I'm doing. It's not to buy the Rolex or to buy the Lambo. Again, I'm probably gonna get that stuff in the future at some point for sure. But this is the freedom. Going on a delivery app and buying the steak no matter the price, being able to eat high quality ribeyes every single day if you want to. That is the freedom that I'm after, and that's why I started this, and that's why I've gotten to this point as well where I have that. So please just get clear on what that is for you, and I promise you, when you get clarity on that, what that actually is, again, it's gonna be so much simpler as well. That's it for right now. I'm gonna keep enjoying the breeze that's coming out there, head down and eat some steaks, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, ciao.